jar, added some water, shook it, let it sit there, and tried to talk myself out of a quesadilla. I'll protein, but I have some really good cheese, some vegan Mexican cheese that's really, really good. So, of course, why not have a quesadilla? So last night I threw the tortilla in the pan, threw the rehydrated soy curls, 1 serving of them. So I got 10 grams of protein along with a bunch of cheesy fat, which was delicious. Yeah, so I'll do a video on that quesadilla later so you can see how delicious it was, and the taste was absolutely great. And so when I make a quesadilla, I don't use oil. There's enough oil in the tortilla. I just throw it in the pan. It comes out crisp and delicious. And the stuff inside, there was cheese, and there were my taco soy curls, taco soy protein strips that were freaking amazing, as always. So what I want to encourage you to do is, follow the program, man. Do the right thing. And then if you decide you're gonna go off the program a little bit and feast, do that. Yeah, you're in good company. Hell yes. So you can't live without a feast. Everyone's got a feast. Got a big feast coming up. And again, the purpose of my being here is to point you to the good decisions you're gonna make, but also I'm marketing my product. It's VeganElder's freeze-dried pantry, and the primary thing I'm selling is protein strips. Butler Food makes soy curls. They're a protein strip that's dry. You soak them, you cook them, and they fluff up like chicken meat, like white breast meat that just gets delicious, except it's not cruelty, it's plants. It's delicious. So Butler Foods, check them out. Protein strips they call soy curls. I use them, and they're cornerstone to my freeze-dried protein strips. I don't do much to them except for cook them with spices, no oil, just spices and things that make them taste like I want them to taste, like taco. And this is one that's simple, the newest flavor, oven roasted. So I take the soy curls, I put some nutrients, some salt and pepper, some celery seeds, because that makes it taste like familiar chicken. So no cruelty, no oil, onions, spices, salt, pepper. I cook it, stew it until it just tastes perfect. It's just so delectable. And I roast it and caramelize the edges, just like your favorite, grilled chicken strips or roast chicken that has those little caramelized bits on it. Yeah, so I do that to the soy curls, 100% plant-based, gluten-free, low-fat, naturally, like 4 grams of fat per serving, 10 grams of protein, 110 calories, something like that per serving. 30 grams is a serving. It's freaking delicious. So like if you wanted to make a Caesar salad,